Place the flask into the holder. Grab HNO3 bottle and pour 75 ml into the beaker named HNO3. Keep the bottle on the table. Grab the beaker with HNO3. Grab the beaker with HNO3. Grab the dish labeled with mercury, Hg. Pour 50.2 gram mercury into the flask. Here mercury reacts with concentrated nitric acid to form mercury 2 nitrate and nitrogen. Grab the dish with mercury, Hg. Place it in the table. Grab the HCl bottle. Pour the HCl. Grab the flask. Place the flask on the table. Grab the glass rod. Place the glass rod near the flask. Grab the HCl bottle. Pour the HCl.